Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the most important thing which most people asked me, that I am 30 plus, can I learn English now? The answer is yes. Yes my friend, you can learn even though you are a 30 plus person. So what my friend, so what if you're 30 plus and if you're thinking that I can't learn English? No my friend, no, you can learn. It's just a language. If you are 30 plus, still you are young, you are not 70 or 80. I'm gonna say something, you know people who are 60, 70, like probably McDonald's. You have eaten many burgers from McDonald's. He started maybe in 60 or 65 of age. He started his giant restaurant chain. So what, you are just saying that I'm 30 plus, I can't learn English? No my friend, please don't think it, because you're just thinking will not let you to reach your destination, which is to be fluent, to be a good English speaker, so that you can do wonders in your professional life, personal life, social life, or whatever in aspect where English is necessary. So my friend, please don't think that I'm 30 plus, I can't do it. Some people start their career in 50s, in 60s. So why you are thinking I'm 30? No my friend, you are just 30 plus. Don't think you can't learn it. Even many people starts in their 40s, in their 50s also people start learning English or other languages also. Suppose you have to move to a different country at the age of 40, want you learn that particular country's language, you will learn it. That time you will learn it, no matter what, you will try your best to learn the language, or else you can't survive in that country. So my friend, don't think it. Never ever this thought should come in your mind, I can't learn English at the age of 30. Don't ever think it. You just have to follow a certain rules of learning a language, which I have told in my videos previously also, that what you should actually do to learn the language. You just have to follow that religiously for a few months, then you will learn it. Maybe you will take a little bit of more time. Some people need 5 months, you need maybe 1 year, 2 years. So what? You will learn it. That will help you for the rest of your life. So my friend, never ever give up. You still have lots of brain cells. So don't think I can't learn something new because I am now 30. Don't ever, man. Don't think it. If you are watching my video, I won't let you think of this thing, that I'm 30, I can't learn English. My videos are gonna push you to learn English even though you are 30 or 40, no matter whatever your age is. You will learn it. Just tell me something, my friend. To start a company, people work very hard, yes, and you know how much work we have to put in there to succeed in that. So if people are starting their company at the age of 40, 50 or 60, some of them are in 70, 80s also people start their company. So if they can start a company, you can't learn a language? Just honest question, this thing you just ask yourself, can't you learn this language? You can. So my friend, I think I have motivated you in this video to learn English. So my friend, don't afraid, go ahead, and one day you will reach to your destination and you will learn English.